Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota RAV4 engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving both time and money. Replacing your air filter regularly helps your engine breathe better, which can improve performance and even fuel economy. You'll only need a new air filter and perhaps a flathead screwdriver. The entire process should take you no more than about 10 to 15 minutes from start to finish. First, safely open your Toyota RAV4 hood and make sure it is securely propped open. Now, look towards the passenger side of the engine bay. You'll see a large, black plastic box, which is your engine's air filter housing, or airbox. It's usually connected to the engine by a wide, flexible intake hose. Take a moment to identify the metal clips, typically 2 to 4 of them, or any screws that hold the top cover of this airbox in position. Once you've located the clips or screws, unfasten them to release the airbox cover. Gently lift the cover to reveal the old, often dirty air filter inside. Notice how the old filter sits in its tray. Carefully pull out the old filter and set it aside. Now, take your brand new air filter and place it into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely within the designated slot. It should fit perfectly without any gaps. With the new filter in place, carefully realign the airbox cover and press it down firmly. Re-engage all the clips or tighten any screws you loosened earlier. Double-check that the airbox is completely sealed all around to prevent any unfiltered air or debris from entering your engine. Finally, close your vehicle's hood. It's generally recommended to replace your engine air filter every 12 months or approximately 10,000 miles for optimal engine health.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.